Shito is a hot pepper sauce which serves as a ready-made food for workers, senior high school students, and travelers alike. Shito can be used to complement meals such as banku, kenke, jollof rice, fried rice, wachi, fried yam, and several others. Due to its preparation, Shito can stay fresh or last from 3 to 6 months without refrigerating. However, failure to adhere to certain practices would inevitably shorten its lifespan. So, first and foremost, maintain the oil content. Now, in order for Shito to stay fresh for long, the oil on top must be maintained. Otherwise, the sauce would go bad after a couple of days. So, maintaining the oil content gives us the second tip. Scoop Shito with a fork instead of spoon. You may ask why. It's simple. The oil will drain in between the tines of the fork, whereas the spoon would scoop the oil along. Moving on. The third tip is to wash the fork before using. It's vital to wash the fork before dipping it in the sauce. This will help to get rid of microbes or germs on the fork. Spoilage bacteria cause food to go bad, so it's necessary to wash the fork and wipe it dry with a clean tissue. Next, clean all traces of the sauce around the rim and neck of the bottle to prevent the growth of molds and cover up the bottle after use. Also, it's advisable to store Shito in a bottle to keep away dust and other particles. Now, one of the well-known methods to preserve food is to refrigerate. But since most people prefer Shito to be fresh all the time, it is mostly kept in a cool, dry place. So, there you have it. The aforementioned tips will help you to keep your Shito fresh till you consume it all. Now, speaking of Shito, Sally's Spicy Shito ticks all the boxes. It's homemade, so it's meticulously prepared to suit your taste. It's simultaneously delicious and nutritious considering the ingredients used. Those in Adenta can visit Kmart to purchase. It's 35 cedis only. You can contact 0207 810 191 for more information. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode. Feed your curiosity and bye.